I'm Anna. I'm a fluid painting instructor, and I'm going to show you 3 flip cup paintings in 3 minutes. This first painting used colors inspired by the Northern Lights. None of my paints have silicone oil in them, but they are all mixed with Floetrol and should give us some natural cells. Now I carefully flip the cup onto the canvas and then quickly pick it up, swooping it off to one side. So pretty! I'm adding a little flow extender around the edges to help my paint cover all the way. And now it's time to stretch out the paint over the canvas. I'm torching just a little bit to help the air bubbles pop and make a few more cells. Isn't that gorgeous? A really beautiful design and tons of natural cells. For my next pour, I'm using flip cups to create the sky portion of an ocean scene. I'm filling 2 small cups with some soft blues and white. You want enough colors to create an interesting sky, but not so much contrast to make it look really busy. Now I'm going to flip both cups on one side of the canvas. If you do it nice and quickly, it usually doesn't spill out too much. As I lift the cups, I'm going to pull very quickly to one side, because I want the paint to stretch out straight instead of making a round puddle. And now it's time to tilt the canvas and stretch out the design. You want to cover the corners first, then try to get most of your lines horizontal so that it resembles the horizon. I finished up this pour by swiping some ocean waves and then brush painting a sailboat and a sandpiper. I think it looks so cute, and the flip cup sky is super dreamy. For my third flip cup pour, I'm going huge! This is a 2-foot by 4-foot canvas, and I'm covering it with 6 20-ounce cups of paint. My colors are ocean-inspired: blue, green, teal, copper, and white. I'm layering half the cups one way and the other half differently to help encourage different color combinations to show up. I'm going to flip them all onto the canvas, and then pull them up and out one by one. And now, with the help of my kids, let's stretch this giant puddle of paint out. The first priority when tilting is to get the corners and edges covered, and then you need to pay attention to the balance of your design. And here it is! So cool! I have no silicone oil in this pour, so all the cell reaction was thanks to my paint mixture, consistency, and the different densities of my paints. Check out the video description for all the details.